We are from Yorko Sales Private Limited. We are a New Delhi-based company. We are a group of Yorko group of companies. We manufacture a wide range of laboratory equipments used in the medical field and all over India in the hospitals, and we do have exports. Most of the items we are manufacturing are import substitute. So these items we are manufacturing for last over 30 years, and we have a big established base. We cover complete range of histopathology instruments. Then we cover a big range of steam sterilizers. So right from a steam sterilizer, ETO sterilizer, plasma sterilizer, water distillation, all our sterilizers as well as other laboratory equipments, and that too especially we are in pathological laboratory equipment where all the pathological tests, so we have a series of equipment, they are available in that. So those series of equipment used in the complete pathological labs, and all our equipments are CE marked, ISO 9001, 13485, and many of our products are ISI marked. And for some of the products like hot air sterilizer, bacteriological incubator, serological water bath, we are the exclusive manufacturer with the BISI mark. So as you know, BIS is a very Indian safety standard which is very must for all the electrical equipments, and they cover IEC 60101 standard, so which is very, very important. And we are also a company where the WHO GMP compliance is there. So we have branch manufacturing unit in Delhi and branches all over India. 5 branches. There is a Bombay, Madras, Chennai, there's a Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi. So all over India we do have. We have our basic importance is that we have over 100 dealers network throughout the country where we provide the after sales service through our factory trained engineers, either through our branch offices or through our authorized dealers where we have deputed them from that. So we, after guarantee period, we do also have a AMC, so where we can provide the AMC on that. So apart from that, we have a big range of centrifuges, microscopes. So these are the added advantage to we give a full package deal for a pathological lab, for a microbiological lab, for CSSD, Central Sterilization Services Department. So and then this is a package deal we can give on these equipments.